What's up, everybody? We're at Berkshire Hathaway here. Midweek kind of stuff going on, but I got myself a little award. Yeah, so third place for the third quarter in the state of Idaho for sales. So, you know, we're on the podium. It's a little better than fourth this weekend, but anyways, thought I might share this with you guys. That was today's awards. So awards during the week, hopefully awards on the weekends, and just keep this thing rolling. What are you doing? I got people for this, but I just feel like if I'm not gonna ride, I might as well get a workout. This is about as good as it's gonna be right now. It's like you have like guys in here working and doing their thing, and they're always making it like worse and uglier almost initially to try to get the work done, right? They're tearing out all the old stuff, they're throwing all the crap in the front, it's all trash and garbage and everything's strewn about, and all the shavings and everything they're cutting everywhere, it's just dust everywhere. And so like I always just want to get things clean. It always like makes a better impression when it's like things are clean and moving forward, and gives you a better idea of like, oh, this is looking good, this is coming around. Otherwise you're just like stressed out, you're like, this looks like terrible, what is going on in here right now?
Louie! That's Dad. This is because I'm on the stick right now.
No, you're gonna pop it. No, I said you're gonna pop it.
I'm not sitting there.
Dad responsibilities.
Nailed it. No, luckily it was just easy. 5 minutes.
Can you do it?
Do this weekend.
You want to follow this?
Watch Dad race his motorcycle.
How did that go?
Good.
How did your dad do?
Bad.
Really?
Really bad.
Did you tell him that?
Yes. No. No.
Why did you think he did bad?
Because he got him first, and he should have got him first.
Okay. What do you think he needs to do better to get first?
Practice?
Yeah, he doesn't practice much, huh?
Definitely not.
You got this?
Yes.
All right, I'm filming you now.
No.
Yeah, do it.
Oh my gosh, terrible. That was terrible.
I redo?
Yeah,
redo?
one more. Here.
I mean, come on. Back to vlogging. Oh.
Splash!
1 of 3.
No, that's for Shrek.
Throw it up there. Oh,
that was pretty close.
Come on. Use your legs again.
I haven't been
Use your
doing
legs.
basketball for a year.
Use your legs.
I can't. I'm really bad at basketball.
Fast back. Oh, she made it. What's up, guys? We're here in Everett, Washington for the final round of the series. Feeling pretty good. We got the 450, I think, finally dialed in. Some things that were this week with the clutch, and it's full Hinson in there now. So, fingers crossed. I don't want to talk prematurely, but Thursday was my best day of the year. So, let's put it down out there. By the way, the track, let me show you this. Let me show you this little video. Look at this kid stepping on this dirt right here. Look at that dirt moving. It's like a trampoline park in there. So my kids will have a good time. Hopefully I stay no front flips, no back flips, and keep it on the ground.
Everyone's doing the same thing on half the obstacle, sliding, and I mean, you're just surviving on those things. Even that double looks like it's like hard to make. Yeah. Just the ruts going into it.
Everyone's going inside. Everyone's following the same line there. So.
Tristan managed to go to the on those long. tire thing, the hard thing at the end of the track there, going far right.
Yeah, I think that's what I just got. And he jumped that thing good, and then you'll see. That was a good little evasive.
And then that set him up on the right side of the matrix, and then he cut diagonally across it to make it longer.
That was when he was there.
Yeah.
Here we go, baby. Last rounds. Woo! That track's soft. It's gonna be good. I thought about running the 250, but you know what? We went down this experiment, and we're gonna follow through with it. So we're gonna see how well we fare on the big girl on a pretty tight technical track, and give her hell.
Everett, you gotta make some noise. Off the pipe, doubles over the box, into the Irish tire now. He's on a roll. Come on, Everett. Colton Haaker trying to better the time of Cody Webb. Haaker's put it together tonight.
The hot lap, and man, I was fastest in hot lap, which was unreal, but I knew it was gonna be tough to string those laps together. So I tried getting an amazing start that first moto, which I did, but it was a little premature, so I ended up running the gate down, and I'm like, wow, it's done. What's done is done, so we're gonna keep on going. So I got in the lead early in the first one, and just kind of like tried to salvage what I could once the guys kind of caught up with me, and I made some mistakes. And second moto, I got docked for that, first of all. And then the second moto, it was just crazy. Like, it was just a crazy night. I had a lot of mistakes. The track was super hard. The last moto, I ended up riding the 250 because the 450 in the second moto was just overheating the first lap. The first lap, it was just overheating. And it's, you know, it is what it is. Like, it's all an experiment at this point, you know. I think what I figured out a lot about this year was I had a really good setup on a factory team for 10 years, and you don't know sometimes how good you got it till it's gone. So there's that, but I'm really proud of what we did this year regardless. We tried everything we could, and throwing spaghetti on the wall is sometimes the best case scenario. It's all you can do. You might as well shotgun it out there and just see what hits, because you won't know if you don't. So after all this, yeah, I think I got 4th overall in the series. It's not first, it's not second, but you know, it's something to hang your hat on, and you know, we'll move forward from here, and yeah, see where we end up.
Oh, what's the